Okay guys, I picked up this NUTRI FIT electronic kitchen scale. Nothing fabulous. It was like less than $7 on Amazon. Okay, there's the specs there. Like I said, nothing fancy. There's the model number. Some of the stuff on the back, if you want to pause. Now I did notice, because I did open it once just to look at it, it says the batteries are excluded, which they give you. Apparently made in China, so they need to word their stuff a little better. It does come in a nice plastic container. Well, plastic wrap. Little cardboard things for the legs were in. And these are, I don't know what these are. Carbon zinc batteries. I don't know if they're any good, but we're throwing them out. We're going to go with some alkalines to throw in there, which just pop it over, take the back off, so nothing fancy. Let me get this in the picture there. It does come with these directions, which it's a pretty thick book, but basically that's your instructions right there. The rest of this book is all in other languages. So yeah, there's not much to it. Typical stale. Turn it on. You guys see that? I guess when I move it, it moves. I think you can see that. Your units. Got pounds. Got fluid ounces, that's water. That's fluid ounces, that's milk. That's grams. That's milliliters water. Milliliters milk. And then it goes back to pounds. And I had a little weight here, and I honestly don't know where it's at. So we'll just see what these batteries weigh. We'll go with the grams. Okay, we'll go with grams and see what that weighs. So it looks like 15 grams. Whether that's what it actually weighs, I don't know, because I don't know what I did. I used to have like a jeweler's scale, and it had little weights with it so you could keep it calibrated. And I don't know what I did with it. So I can't use that to show, to even see till I find it. Yeah, so I don't know. So I'm just going to hope it's accurate. I'm just using it for the kitchen. Nothing crazy like. It shuts off after 2 minutes. Or if you want to shut it off, as long as it's on 0, you just push the button and hold it for like 3 seconds and it shuts off. So if you can't get your work done when you're measuring and within 2 minutes, then it's going to shut off on you. So you got to be quick about that. That's the only thing I don't like about some of these, is they tend to shut. I'd rather have it go 5 minutes in case I'm in the midst of something and it takes me a little longer than a couple minutes, but it is what it is. But like I said, yeah, I'll put the information in the description box, the link to where I got it. Like I said, it was like six something. It was less than $7. So I figure if it works, I don't know, NUTRI FIT. I think that's a name brand. I don't know for sure. But yeah, so just wanted to pop that in there. Okay, guys.